Tired of being told you need to save for decades before you can travel full time? If you're a woman over 40, I will show you exactly how you can start traveling within the next 90 days without a massive nest egg. In our community, women are earning their first 100, 300, even $900 and using it to fund their freedom. Now, if that sounds like you, hit subscribe and comment where you would visit in your first 90 days. I'd love to hear where you're going to go next. I can't wait to hear your dream destination. Hi, I'm Ashley, and my husband's a disabled veteran, and we had to start over after traveling full time and running out of our funds. So, starting over isn't easy, but instead of giving up, I found a way to make money online. And now we're creating the freedom to travel again full time, but this time with more purpose and less stress. So we all grew up believing work 40 plus hours a week, save every little penny, and then finally enjoy life and your retirement, right? But let's be honest. Prices keep climbing, life keeps throwing curveballs, and sometimes that someday just never comes. Here's the truth. You don't need millions in the bank. You need an income that travels with you. Digital marketing makes that possible. You can earn from your cell phone whether you're in an RV park in the Rockies, a cabin in the woods, or a beach cafe. So, a few years ago, my husband and I sold everything to travel with our dogs. We loved it. We had so much fun. But then the money ran out. That's when I realized that it's not about savings. It's about income that moves with you. And it's not just me. In the Legacy Builders community, there's Wendy. She's 56. She made her first 100K within 6 months. She had no tech skills. This taught her everything. Another woman in her 40s, Jessica, she started the same program. They both quit their 9 to 5 jobs and both have retired their husbands. We've also got members in their 80s learning how to do digital marketing. All right, if you're nodding along, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. If you've ever sat at work daydreaming, dreaming about being on the road, you're not wrong. That desire in you is absolutely valid. Picture yourself sipping coffee in the Rockies, exploring a new beach town every month, or taking your grandkids on a road trip now, not someday. Those memories are worth more than any perfect savings plan. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to spend years saving. You need one skill that lets you earn from anywhere. Once you have that, it funds your travels and it builds something sustainable for your future too. And this is just part one. In the next video, I'm going to share why waiting until your 70s to enjoy your retirement is the worst plan ever. So don't miss it. Hit subscribe and comment the very first place that you will visit in the next 90 days. Let's start building your freedom together.